Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and you might recognize this drawing from a previous video. He sent it to me, and he's actually found his leak, and I wasn't going to make the video because I've made quite a few videos on how to find a leak. But I see some other problems with his drawing, and sometimes if you back up and zoom out, you can see more than you can when you zoom in. It looks like this line is black. And if you zoom in, it's quite a bit thicker than that hairline. This is too. Let's go here and go to arrange and ungroup it. You've got double lines there, sir. Could cause a problem when you're cutting. But I'm going to show you how to fix that. But let's find our leak first. That doesn't really matter. Our leak, I am going to draw a rectangle around his page so the leak doesn't tear up my computer. There's a leak. It's going way outside. Easiest way to find a leak is just to draw you 4 coordinates lines. That's not leaking. That's not leaking. That's not leaking. That's leaking. So your leaking is in that 25% of your drawing. Just take this line and move it over. Now it's going to be in a lot less percentage. It's still leaking. So it's inside this little box. And I already saw the problem. It's right here. We got 2 leaks. And what he must have done is jig down the line, because these 2 spots, after he cut them, he probably accidentally moved a line. Very easily fixed. Grab those 2 nodes, select them, join 2 nodes. Join 2 nodes. Now we need to take this away. So see how easily it is to do something like that. Now let's take our lines away. We're still got a rectangle just in case we have a leak, and we have no leak. So what I was going to show you is how to, sorry about that, how to solve those double lines. We're going to take away our rectangle. See, the double lines are still there. This thing is like 23 inches big. We're going to set our nudge factor on 24. Let's take our Smart Fill tool and fill that in and nudge it out of the way. Left click, right click. Now you don't have any double lines. Completely get rid of that old one. Hit P and put it in the center of the page. Now you have hairlines everywhere and no double lines. And you can always test it with the Smart Fill tool. So if you're going to print it, the double lines didn't hurt you. If you're going to cut this out, the double lines might cut twice, or if it was more than a hairline and you actually had something else printing, it would print or engrave. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.